We're the new neighbors.
No neighbors.
Good morning, monsters.
Good morning, Monty's grandpa.
Monty, you left your toys in the kitchen. You need to clean up before you can play.
Oops. Sorry, monsters. I have to go inside. Wait, I have an idea. You could tell your grandpa that it wasn't you.
Yeah.
Ooh, good idea. Then you can keep playing.
Nope. It's important to always tell the truth. You can use my sand toys while I'm gone, though. Just be careful. This pail is my favorite. Oh, no.
What do we do now?
I don't know.
If Monty finds out, she might be sad.
She might be mad.
She might not want to be our friend anymore. I've got it. We can bury the pail and she'll never find it. Oh.
I know. We could say a powerful wind came and blew it away. Oh.
No. We can hide and she'll never find us.
Now what do we do?
We stay here forever.
I don't want to be a tree forever.
Well, there's got to be something we can do.
Well, we could tell the truth.
But what if she's sad?
What if she's mad?
What if she doesn't want to be friends anymore?
It's important to always tell the truth.
The truth about what?
Ah!
Ah, the truth about...
The
The truth.
We broke your favorite sand pail.
We didn't mean to do it.
We're so sorry.
Sorry. That's okay, guys. That happens a lot. You just have to snap it back on.
We didn't break your pail?
You aren't mad?
Do you still want to be our friend?
Of course I want to be your friend. Accidents happen. Even if you had broken my bucket, I'd be upset for a while, but I would still be your friend. I'm just glad you told me the truth.
I like telling the truth.
Even when it's hard to do.
It's so much better than pretending to be a bush. You want to know the truth? The truth is that you're my favorite monsters in the whole world.